What's up guys? Welcome to your second HTML tutorials. In this tutorials, we're going to learn about a few of HTML elements. And there are tons of HTML elements out there. This is one element, and this is another element. This is one other element, and we got a lot, tons of element in HTML. So we're not gonna focus on a lot of them, but we'll learn a few of them here. And one thing I want you guys to do while we're doing this HTML project together, we're gonna be working on a project, or in order for us to practice our HTML element, or in order for us to know what the heck they're doing. So we're gonna be building a tribute page, which is gonna look something like this at the end of the whole playlist. Alright guys, too much talking. Let's go back to our HTML files and we're gonna create our project. In this project, we got a folder. In that folder, we got index.html and we got our image of the artist we're gonna be building. Alright, if we go back to our index.html, the first element we're gonna need it's a heading or title element. In order for us to create that one, we create with heading h1 element, which is opening tag, closing tag, and inside of it we put the name of our artist, which is John Legend. And if we open this in the browser, right click, open in the browser, and we got the John Legend going on, working totally fine. Alright, the second things we need is an image element. And in order for us to create that element in HTML, we put IME, which is stand for image, and we put source. Hold on 1 second, guys, before we move forward. What the heck is that source keyword that I just put? Alright, this is an HTML attribute. What this is doing is basically you telling HTML, hey, I want an image files to be here, but I want you to go and grab it for me. And the way you're telling this is you tell it to go and grab it with source, and where you're gonna put the location in order for HTML to go and grab that files for you, it's gonna be inside the code. Alright, let's see what the heck we're talking about. We hit save, we go to the browser, we go to Google, we type John Legend, and the first search we find image, and that's the image I want, and hit view, and this is basically the link I want. That's the path of that image, and I want my HTML to go grab it for me. I copy that link, right click, copy, and I go back to my HTML folder, and basically I put the link, I put the location in there, and once I go back to my HTML project and I will load the browser, and HTML automatically know where to go and grab it for me. But if I don't want them to go on the internet, I want them to go inside my folder to grab specific image for me. As the image is located in the same place as the index files, no need for me to put that slash. Instead, I just put the image name, which is John. And the ending of the image is a JPEG file, JPEG. There we go. If we will load the browser, it's gonna be the same because it has the same image. Alright, the second thing we need in our project, we're gonna need a bio element. It's not basically a bio, it's another heading tag. We're gonna create one with this h2 tag and we put bio. Alright guys, if we will load the browser now, we hit refresh, we see we got the bio, but what's the difference between H2 and H1? H1 is basically a little bit bigger than H2, as you could see yourself. This one is much bigger than this one, and it's best practice too for SEO. We're not going to talk about SEO right now, but as we go forward, we'll learn it one day. Alright, the second thing we need if we go to our project, it's a paragraph. And the way we do paragraph in HTML, it's with the P element. It's closing tag, opening tag, sorry, opening tag, closing tag, and we put the bio about our favorite artist. We could basically a lot of bunch of text. Once we do, we open the browser, we hit refresh, and there we go. And you guys might be wondering why is this is looking with a bunch of white background color. This is much more beautiful than the one we're building. And why this is not looking exactly the way this is looking. All right, so the background color and all these border and back shadow you guys seeing in here, this is when CSS comes in. Remember, we do an HTML tutorial. We're not gonna focus about CSS yet, but as we go along, we'll go right into it. Thank you guys for watching. This is it for now. We're gonna building the next project in the next tutorial. Stay tuned. At the end of this whole playlist, you'll be building your favorite artist tribute page. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you hate it too, thumbs down, and hope to see you soon. Bye.